How to change Facebook profile to digital creator. Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Facebook profile to being a digital creator. Just like in Instagram, there is a digital creator kind of tag now available in Facebook too. How you can add it on your profile. So let's get into the video. So first of all, you have to come onto facebook.com. I'm using Facebook on web right now, but the procedure will be same for all the people who are using Android, who are using phone, who are using Facebook on Apple. The processes are going to be same. So what you need to do after coming onto Facebook is you need to find the help center of the Facebook. After when you're using phone, the help center will be here in the end, but now I'm using web, so that's why my help center is right here. This is my account. I click on that and here is my help and support. Just open that and here you're going to see your help center. Open your help center, and now let me tell you that the digital creator tag is not available for everyone on Facebook right now, so that's why you have to find yourself if you're eligible of having the digital creator label or not. So that's why we have come here. What you're going to do is you're going to search for digital creator. Click on that, search. Access creator support from Facebook. How do you use stars to support a creator on Facebook, etc. So this is what you want to open, which is access creator support from Facebook. Click on that, and here you can see that computer help. This feature is only available to some people at the moment. This is the thing written in the article. So if you are eligible for this won't be written here. Other than that, you will be having a button, or you will be having an option to add your digital creator into your profile. But as you can see that I am not even eligible for this feature right now, so that's why it says that this feature is only available to some people at the moment. So if you still think that it is not helpful for you, what you can do is you can tell the Facebook, and you think that you need more information, I don't like the product, the solution doesn't work, click on that and you can say more. You can write in your problem, like I want to add a digital creator tag or digital creator label to my Facebook account. Just add that, submit that, and Facebook will respond to you and they will tell you the exact time and what is the eligibility criteria for having the digital creator label on Facebook. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to Softwares Made Easy. Thank you.